up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the new year. I know it's like almost February or whatever, but I finally did some thinking and I put together a schedule. I'm going to be uploading every Friday, so tune in every Friday. If you guys don't have my notifications on, go ahead and turn on the little bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. But I'm sure you guys can tell what today's video is going to be by the title. So I'm going to be showing you guys what my bedroom looks like, all of the decor that I have up in here, how I made it my personal space, and yeah. And I also shared with you guys a book back there that is very, very awesome, that got me through some tough times. So if you guys are interested in that, keep watching. Alright, ladies and gents, these are my feet. Welcome to the tour. So when you first walk in, you have a baby gate, because I have dun 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 one of those. You walk in and here is what you see. Sorry, it is super bright. The window is just radiating sunshine. But you walk in and here's the bed. Beautiful, so nice. And then above the bed, one is of a deer where I got from IKEA. Another, I'm not sure where I got it from, but it has cute little sayings that just keeps everything positive. And I also took some lights from IKEA and I hung them above just for the aesthetic. So on the end table, I have a snow globe, a candle, a nice plant, and just a gold lamp. I kept it simple just because I feel like I want the clean aesthetic look. Not a lot going on, but I love it. And then moving down below, I have a junk drawer. You guys don't want to see what's in there. And moving down, I have my sketchbook on the bottom. That's what my brother drew me. That's what I drew. Just some fun stuff in there. So whenever I get bored, I could just grab it and sketch in bed. So moving on, this is the entertainment center that I put on the wall. The TV is like mounted, so that's nice because you can move it. Yeah, it's very reflective. Look at me, check me out, hey, hey, hey. So what I have on top is just some really cool decor pieces. I actually painted that little guy right there. And of course, my favorite word, honey. Anyways, and then on the other side, I have a wood wick candle and then a pineapple canvas. I thought that was cute because I'm obsessed with pineapples. And on the bottom, this is where I keep like my socks, my bathing suits, and like my shorts and stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to look for tops for these, so if you guys have any recommendations, leave them down below. And then from here, if you look over on this wall, that is my closet. And then above my closet, I have some really cool pictures of me and Matthew that we took at Laguna Beach. Oh my god, my favorite. So walking over here to my desk, which is in the corner of the room, I have a little storage place right here. I will explain to you guys what's on there. And then above there, I have this big canvas of some lips that my mom got me, and then an M for Mercedes, and then a cool marble clock. So on top, I have a big, huge pineapple because I love pineapples, as I've stated 1,000 times. I have my point and shoot camera. I usually have the big camera that I'm using on right here, and then I have a candle. Of course, it has a little pineapple top, and then a marble display piece. I thought that was cute, so yeah. Then moving down from here, on the first part, I have a pair of shoes that I wear often. I have a storage bin, and then I have my go-to Vans that I wear all the time. Then down from that, on the second row, I have my cute little bag that I got from Christmas. And then I have my little furries, and then another bag. These bags are literally my go-to bags, so that's why I have them very accessible when I could just grab them and go. Then my last one, I have more storage, and I usually keep like all of my little trinkets in here, my batteries, and some really cool like stickers for my calendar and stuff. Kind of motivational, so I really like that. But I just keep them away just so it's easier and out of the way. And then next to that is my pineapple laundry. I'm sure you guys don't want to even look at that. I need to do laundry, but check it out. It is literally the dopest laundry basket. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thanks, Mom. Then over here, I keep all of my filming stuff, my tripod, my diva ring, And moving on to my desk, I have file folders that are mounted to the wall. And then now what is on my desk, I have a huge, giant blow-up pineapple for the pool. I haven't opened it. I got it from Christmas. I don't know when I'm gonna use it, but you guys will know when I use it. Then after that, I have a fake plant from IKEA. We all love those. And then I have a little card that my mom sent me for Valentine's Day. I think it's the cutest because you shake it up and it has like hearts and stuff, so I thought that was cute, and she's cute, so, you know, gotta save the memories. And then after that, I have a little dry erase board. Just put down some things to keep me positive and to remind myself, just enjoy things, do things I love, and to be myself. Next to that, I have a wood board that is a connection between New Mexico, where I live, to California. My mom's over there and I'm over there, but somehow we connect our hearts. I thought that was so cute. She gave it to me for Christmas and I about cried. I have some stuffed animals and some pictures with my cousin, a Holy Bible, and this thing, oh my god, I gotta show you guys this. So cute. I got this when I was like a baby and I haven't got rid of it. Look it.
Now I'm really death asleep. I pray the Lord myself to keep. The angels watch me through the night until I wake in morning light. Amen.
That is literally the cutest thing ever, and I can't get rid of it yet. I think I like, when I have kids in my future, like I want to give this to them and then it passes down in the family, but I've had this ever since I was a little baby and it's still hanging in there, so I can't let it go. Moving down from there, I have my sunglasses and a cute little picture. So yeah, that's very basic, cute, you know. Yeah, moving on. And then down below I have pineapple thank you cards, because why not keep it going with the pineapples? I have my hacky sack because, yeah, I don't know, I've never played with this, but eventually one day. And then next to that, I have my Polaroid camera. It comes in handy when I just want to take cute pictures, so I just grab that, take a couple pictures, and that's where these come from. And then moving on to my desk, you will see that I have a little notebook, my phone case, yeah, because pineapples. Then I have my computer, and then my calendar underneath, just to like plan out my days and stuff like that. Then over here, do what you love. This is like my calendar to go. Literally the cutest thing ever. Do what you love, pineapples, of course. Then above that, I have a junk drawer that, let's just not get into there. Then I have a little iPhone case because it looks dope and I haven't completely learned my iPhone yet, so yeah. Then above that, I have some books. One is Live Your Life, Girl Boss, and then a devotional, Walk with God. If you guys are going through anything like I did, I promise you this is like the best book to get you back on your feet. I was going through hard times and I pretty much just explained to you guys what I was going through, but this book is to die for. If you guys are going through something and need help or just want to feel great again, read this book. It is amazing. Then moving on, I have these like really cute IKEA lights and I just put them on top there just for the aesthetic. Then I have a dry erase board back there. That was from Mateo. I love you too, honey. That's from my mom when she came and visited me. And then I have a bunch of little pictures up here of my friends, and then I have a little saying that says, do things that make you happy, because it's all about that positivity in 2018. Well, that's it. I'm so sad that the video is already over. But thank you guys for watching till the end. Thank you guys so much for the support. I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting me on my last video. Made me feel so good inside that it made me want to come back to YouTube and say, you know what, I have supporters that support me, and I know you guys weren't there and didn't know what I went through, but it was pretty intense, and I'm so glad that I have you guys and all the support that you guys showed me. It was just, I'm lost of words because I'm just so blown away how supportive you guys were. It means the world to me. It's so special to have people, you know, that I don't know too much about, and you guys support me and watch my channel and stuff, and you guys just are here for me, and I really, 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 really love that about you guys. So stay tuned for more videos. As I said in the beginning, I will be uploading every Friday, so make sure you turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time that I post a new video. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye!